Question 20. The profit made by a shop increases each year. The profit made by the shop in year n is P, little n. Given that the profit made by the shop in the next year, which is Pn plus 1, then Pn plus 1, so the profit of the next year, is A times the profit the year before plus 800, where A is a constant. The table shows the profit made by the shop in 2018 and 2019. Work out the profit predicted to be made by the shop in 2021. Well, in order to find the profit in 2021, I need this value A. And so I can use the values in this table to calculate A, because the profit in the next year, which if I take to be 2019 as 29,600, is equal to A times the profit of the year before, which is 24,000, plus 800. Subtracting 800 from both sides here gives me that 24,000A is equal to 28,800, and then dividing by 24,000, I get an A value of 1.2. Now, I know the profit in 2019, so I can find the profit in 2020. The profit in 2020 is A times the profit in 2019, 29,600, plus 800. Evaluating on your calculator, the profit at the end of 2020 is 36,320. I want the profit in 2021, and so that profit will be 1.2 times the profit of 2020, which I just found to be 36,320, plus 800. And again, evaluating on my calculator, I find this to be 44,384. And so this value is my predicted profit for 2021.